Alright, so we're going to hook up the dryer. And we've decided not to change that orifice tube because we can't seem to find it. It's buried down there somewhere, and it's going to probably take several hours to dig it out. I don't know. But
and there isn't a good reason to change it because the compressor's free anyway.
yeah, so now the old compressor we took off was just leaking from a bad seal. It hadn't come apart, and so there's no debris or parts or gunk floating around in the system, so that orifice tube should be clear. Tighten back up the clamp. Put the electrical connector back on. Looks like it's about 10 o'clock. There we go. And snug up our fittings. Using 2 wrenches. This stuff is aluminum, so those O-rings don't take a lot to seal. Just snug them up. Just so they don't vibrate loose.